what's cracking, guys? Your boy King Fresh. Friday night, we're on our way to the CDK meet. We got the reckless driver right here in the Lexus. This one has no limits, no nothing, uncensored. Alright guys, we're out here. Mr. Lamborghini is back. We got Chris with the throwback jersey back at it again right now.
I don't know where Chris is. Chris is at home today.
Oh yeah. This is Jose, by the way. Yeah, he's Mexican now. What's up, Jose?
What's up?
Oh, Jose, careful. What did you think about that?
That was pretty good.
That was pretty good. I have some sad news for you guys. The hamster from last week's video just died, guys. I just found out he died.
It wasn't me.
No, her hamster died. Alright guys, so the driver is actually awake. Fresh as hell. No shoes on. That's the rule for the GTR. No shoes on. Oh damn! He just did a burnout, guys. That was sick. Damn! There you go, holding the wheel too. Look, he holding the wheel. Oh damn! These guys are swerving left and right. Oh shit! 130, guys. 130.
Exhaust! That means you're a swinger!
Guys, this guy has no plates, tinted windows. Must be he's a swinger. Channel 4 is correct. Stupid ass.
Channel 4.
We're out here at a takeover. We have security here. We got some cockroaches that got stuck together having sex.
Yo, bro.
You didn't have to call the cops. Come on.
Security guard. Security guard.
How long do we have before the cops get here?
I don't know, dude. Honestly,
Okay,
can I whip it?
In, like, how
did you say it? Yeah, how did you say it? No, how did you say it? How did you say it?
Hold on, dude.
No, you're going on YouTube. How did you say it?
Y'all was here last week. Can we see? So, why don't y'all find another spot?
Yeah, true.
We'll give it to you.
Let us in the golf cart. Oh, no. Oh. Wait, how
We got the swinger, we have the cockroach trying to escape for his life. Uh-oh, Rolls Royce in the house. He's trying to do something. Oh, no! Damn! We got a wild suspect on the loose over there. Look at him. He has those socks on and everything. Oh.
Free the hair.
Nice. Hey, people want to see the hat off. They want to see the reveal.
Oh, yeah, I gotta fix my hair.
Oh, man.
I woke up from a nap.
cops finally showed up. We're on our way to spot number 3, guys. Word in the street is freeway takeover, guys. Oh, damn. Yeah! Shutting down the freeway. I repeat, the freeway is shut down. Shut down! Oh my god! Guys, we legit on the freeway, took over the freeway. The whole freeway is shut down, guys. The 60 West is officially shut down. I'm on the freeway. Hey, where we at right now? Where we at? On the freeway. In Mexico.
Repping the SUV.
Oh, the cops are coming. The cops are coming. They're somewhere in the back. I just got in a random ass car, guys. Alright, guys, we protected him with the flat tire. The cop just went over there to stop somebody. Alright, we're out here at Jack in the Box. We just pulled up. We're gonna go have something to eat with the boys. Hey, sir, what are you doing on the car? Oh hell no! Why are you so horny? Oh, yo, little shrimp.
Oh, get your ass in there.
What did you buy at the grocery to this giant man right here?
Yeah, some trash.
You bought some trash, right? Close the lid.
Yeah.
Close the lid of the trash.
Watch out.
Close it, close it. Close it, close it.
No, you gotta chill. You gotta.
Yeah, you chill. You're the grocery. Yeah, he bought you for 5 cents. Close it, close it, close it. Close it, close it.
Fuck this shit. No, you gotta fit.
Oh, what's going on here? Alright, guys, it's Cinco de Mayo. We're out here with the crew. Downtown LA. What are we waiting for?
This shit to fly in the sky and
the rocket there. And we have the chopper landing right there on the King Kong building. Alright, 3 minutes, guys. That rocket. Through LA. Oh, hell no. Hey, that view though, let me see. Damn. Guys, the rocket is on its way. It just got launched. It's coming, guys. Uh-oh. Oh, where's the rocket? Where is it? Oh. It's coming, guys. It's coming.
No mames, I was expecting something bigger.
I did too, fool, but that's the rocket right there. Look, it's a little. We're following the rocket, guys. There it goes. It's about to hit the back of this building right now. We're gonna have a clear-eye view of it. There it goes, guys, on top. There it goes, guys. Oh, damn. That thing's going fast, dude. All right, guys. So the rocket, as you've seen it, gone now. 6 minutes, guys. That's all it took. Just zoom by through here and just disappear into the atmosphere. Oh, get on it, dude.